Hello everyone, welcome to Celebs Record, and today video we describe the from Disney star to rising super sensation Joshua Bassett has captured hearts around the world. But what's really going on behind the scenes in 2025? Today we are diving deep into his career heights, personal life and impressive net worth. Let's explore the world of Joshua Bassett like never before. First of all, we talk about his early life. Joshua Bassett was born on 22nd of December 2000 in Oceanside, California, USA. From a young age, Joshua showed an interest in singing, acting, and playing instruments, particularly the piano, guitar, and drums. His early performance in local theater productions sparked his passion for entertainment. Education of Joshua Bassett. Being homeschooled allowed Joshua to focus on his artistic development. His education was heavily supplemented with music and acting lessons, giving him the flexibility to audition and gain early experience in show business, despite not attending a traditional high school. Let we know about his career. Joshua began his professional career with guest roles on TV shows like Lethal Weapon and Grey's Anatomy. His breakout came in 2019 when he landed the lead role of Ricky Bowen in the Disney Plus series High School Musical. This series, apart from acting, Joshua is a talented singer-songwriter. He has released several singles and EPs that showcase his emotional depth and musical versatility. His music blends up and acoustic elements, often drawing from personal experiences. Let me know about his family. Joshua comes from a large and sporty family. He is the only boy among 6 siblings and credits his parents and sister for encouraging his creativity. His father is a musician and his mother has also been involved in teaching and counseling. Family remains a central part of Joshua's life. Ethnicity. Joshua Bassett is of Caucasian ethnicity with European ancestry including German, Irish and English roots. Marital status. As of 2025, Joshua Bassett is not publicly married. He has been private about his dating life, although he has been linked to few high-profile relationships in the past. He focuses primarily on his career and personal growth. Joshua Bassett's cars collection. While Joshua Bassett doesn't flaunt a large luxury collection, he has been seen driving modest yet stylish vehicles. He tends to value particularly and sustainability over flashiness, aligning with his down-to-earth public image. Social media fan following. Joshua has built a strong and dedicated fan base, especially among Gen Z audiences. As of 2025, Instagram over 3 million followers, TikTok over 2 million followers, and YouTube hundreds of thousands of subscribers for his music videos, and Twitter a large and active fan base uses his platform not only to promote his work but also to advocate for mental health awareness and issues. Let we know about his some facts. Joshua plays a multiple instrument including piano, guitar and drum. Fact number 2, he writes most of his own songs. And fact number 3, his voice has been compared to major pop stars and he has been praised for vulnerability in songwriting. At last of them, let we know about his total net worth. As of 2025, Joshua Bassett's trading net worth is around $2 to $3 million. His income comes from acting, music sales, and streaming tours, merchandise, and endorsement. And that's a wrap of our look into Joshua Bassett's 2025, his journey, success, and the secrets behind his stardom. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into your favorite stars. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.